Good morning, guys!
Good morning. Are you telling them why I'm here?
Why?
Why I'm in bed?
Oh,
Why
tell
my
them.
clothes are next to the bed?
Tell them.
Huh?
Tell them.
He was screaming a lot
Mm.
and you didn't know what to do. So I told him, let's go onto the belly of Papa. And
Yeah.
he was just, oh, really?
Super relaxed. Tinatawanan lang ako ni Nathaniel. Good morning, ha?
Good morning.
Good morning po.
Good morning po sa inyo.
Look at his cheeks, my love.
Yeah, he's getting fat cheeks.
Oh, hello. Oh. Hello. Hello, Nathaniel. Oh. Hala. Kanino nagmana yan? Ha? Kanino nagmana ang baby ni Mama? Kay Mama daw yan nagmana. Good morning!
Good morning.
Nagmamadali po akong bumaba. Kasi naglinis ako ng bahay. Dadating yung magche-check ng tenga ni Nathaniel, guys. May dala-dala na siyang ibang machine. Is that machine, Mama? Something like that. Machine to check. Don't make me stress already, Mahabis.
I'm not doing anything.
Just the English makes me stress already.
Don't make me stressed. What did I do?
That she will come here, right?
She will come here somewhere between now and 2 hours from now.
Sus! You told me to get ready because 30 minutes she will be here.
No, possibly she will be here. What if she is here in 10 minutes? Huh? Then you're happy already.
So, did you eat already?
I did,
Breakfast?
but I want more.
How was your
What do
dentist?
you want to eat?
Ang aga po niyang umalis today to go to his dentist. And then when I woke up, already did the sterilizing.
You didn't even notice I was crawling around the bed to get all the bottles.
Really, my
Yeah,
love?
you were sleeping
Yeah.
together with him.
Because I was in night shift with this little boy.
Yeah, and I let you
With
sleep,
this-
huh?
with
I did
this-
not wake you up.
No. With this little boy, I was in night
Huh?
shift.
Maha, do you know?
Mm.
Before we had him, if I would do that to you, I would let you sleep. You will be angry at me.
Yeah.
Now you're happy.
Yes, I'm super happy. Thank you. Thank you, my love.
You're
Kiss me.
welcome.
5 minutes later, andito na po siya. Sana naman po ay okay ang tenga ni Nathaniel, guys. Grabe talaga ang dasal-dasal ko. 2 araw. Ilang araw na ba akong stress dahil sa tenga niya. Uy, yung isa kasi hindi pa na-detect. So ngayon, malalaman po natin.
Die storen en dan hoop ik dat je een mooi kussentje heeft. Dan kijk ik, ja. Beetjes met eens beter, de laatste. We gaan kijken.
Yeah?
Hij is aan het meten, ja. Het kan even duren.
Okay.
Het is even, nou ja, inschakelen zeg maar. En dan, hij is net gestart dus. We gaan kijken. Dus hij geeft weer geluidjes door de oorschelp. En die plakkers gaan eigenlijk gelijk voelen van komen de geluidjes aan waar het moet zijn. Hè, waar de geluiden in de hersentjes horen te
Ja.
komen. En kijk, het andere apparaat moest er de geluidjes in. En die moest ook weer heel zacht geluidjes weer opvangen. Dus dat
Ja.
ging erin en eruit. En ja, dat is natuurlijk bewerkelijk. Want als je toch nog een jongen hebt als vocht of oorsmeer, dat redt het apparaat soms niet op. Hè, zodat
Ja.
je niet helemaal vrij zijn. Kijk, en deze push je erin. En hij voelt gelijk. Dus is wat, en hij is prachtig aan het screenen hoor. Dus het wordt niet eens zo lange film als ik hoop het zo zie. Ja, hij is mooi aan het. En dan zie je het zwarte balkje. Hij trekt nu eentje terug. Want het zwarte balkje moet helemaal gevuld zijn. En dan geeft hij een oké af. Dan zegt hij oké. Dus pas staat er ook bij, hè?
Dus er is geen,
Geslaagd.
Thank you, Lord.
Nee, voor zo'n
Thank you,
nee,
Lord.
Nee, dat is echt.
Makaiyak man ako.
Het weet ook dat het kan. Dan wordt het,
Very
veel
good,
wordt het
Nathaniel.
doorgegeven.
Ja.
Thank you, Lord. Okay.
All is fine.
Yeah, all is fine. Thank you, Lord. Thank you, Lord. Ma, we need a cotton for his... What are you doing? Making breads? Ay, para sa aming breakfast. Uy, nagluto pala ako kahapon ng ng kamote. Grabe ang pasalamat ko, guys. Parang mangiyak-ngiyak na ako ba. Kasi na-stress na ako. No? Kala ko talaga hindi makarinig si Nathaniel. Last night, I was really praying. Lord, please, in tawon. Make my child here. Ah, what are you looking at? Why are you looking like that? So, are you happy?
I'm happy.
I'm happy too.
I'm very happy. But I was not really worried.
Why?
Because everything looked good already.
Okay.
I already had instinct, mahal.
Hanap tayo ng palaman para sa aming breakfast. What palaman do you want, mahal? Do you want goat's cheese?
Yeah.
Dito lahat ng palaman namin. All the palamans are there. How about,
Or normal cheese, I don't know.
Ah, you bought a new jam? My love?
What are you doing, mahal?
I want to change clothes because I want to make 2 vlogs today.
But the first vlog is not done yet.
Yeah.
So later you will change back to these clothes?
Yeah. So I will change first, guys. For the milk, super expensive the milk. Don't skip the ads. Don't you dare.
I love you, mahal.
Bye. Kain na pala muna kami bago ako magbihis. Gusto ko kasing gumawa ng 2 vlogs today ba para bukas. Mag-day off po ako. So I have rest tomorrow, my love. That's why. Just
Bread and cheese, kain.
cheese. Grabe na, no. Grabe na to. Ang trabaho ni Inday Garnet. Jam and croissant. Sarap nito. Kain, guys! Kakauwi lang po namin. Tingnan ninyo anong meron dito. Tingnan natin yan pagpasok. Wait lang, guys. Pasok muna. What?
Baby incoming, tut.
Dali na. Kakarating lang po talaga namin, no?
Dali.
You have a song, right?
Have a teddy bear.
Mahal, you have a song, right?
What song?
What were you singing when we were in the car?
The song you're always singing to him. Sabi ko na bisabi, kwak, kwak, kwak. Hey!
May 3 bibi akong nakita. Malaki, mataba, mga bibi.
Oh.
Ngunit nang may pakpak sa likod ay iisa. Siyang na nagsabi ng
Kwak, kwak, kwak.
kwak, kwak, kwak. Put him there first, mahal.
Oh,
I will do a haul. O, tingnan nyo ang damit ko, diba? Continuation po ito ng ating vlog kahapon. So, kayo na po ang mag-adjust, no? Pakita ko sa inyo yung mga napamili namin. Alam nyo ba? Hindi, no? Kailangan kong maglinis ng bahay. Actually, alas 5 na po ng hapon. Maglilinis ako ng bahay kasi mamaya siguro mga 8 pupunta ang kapitbahay namin dito. Yung tabi ng bahay namin. Hindi po yung kaaway ko, ha. Pupunta po sila dito para tingnan si baby. So, bumili kami ng ng red wine at ng white wine. Just in case that...
In the fridge.
Yeah. Just in case ba na gusto nilang uminom, no? At bumili na din po kami ng... Ano pa ba? Ayan, pizza para sa aming dinner. Kasi kumain na kami ng lunch. Napakadaming lunch. Bumili din po kami ng cookie just in case na gusto po nila ng coffee or tea. Kung ayaw nilang mag red wine, meron din po kaming snack para sa red wine. Meron akong dried sausage at mani. And syempre, ito yung nabili ko. Ayan, para sa mahal. This one is for the I think. What is that? Mail? From who? Sige, open it.
That's a good question. From who?
Bumili din po ako ng cotton balls. And what is this? Milk for the coffee and sugar. At ito ba? Di ba panglinis? Ang sabi dito panglinis ng ilong or ng ears. So ito gamitin ko to para
Hello,
sa
sweet boy. Is what it says.
para sa kanyang sa kanyang tenga. Who is that?
The brother of Siert and his girlfriend. Van harte gefeliciteerd met de geboorte van Nathaniel. Heel veel geluk samen.
Thank you, Niels.
Thank you.
Sa kapatid ni ni Siard. So yun yung mga napamili namin ngayon. Tingnan natin kung ano yung nasa labas ng bahay. Wait lang, muntik ko pang makalimutan. Wowawee! Bumili ako ng Baileys. Na-miss ko yan, ah. I-on ko na muna itong aking... Ano tawag dito? Get out! Dishwasher. Kay puno na. Tingnan yung gudang itsura ni Nathaniel, oh. Look at your son, mahal. Tingnan niyo ang kanyang... Ano tawag dyan? Medyas. My love, look at your son. Look. Wow, you change. In fairness.
How did that happen?
Puta.
You will get cold feet.
Yeah, that's why. It's just 5 minutes that he was like that. Opo. Unahin ko na muna itong anak ko, guys. Mamaya na yung mga hole-hole natin dyan kay gutom naman siya.
Are you hungry?
Yes, mahal. A little
Turn
bit.
on the oven.
Magpizza lang kami. May 3 bibi akong nakita. Mapayat, mataba, mga bibe. Wow! Tingnan nyo, guys. Galing kay Karyan. Day, ikaw na talaga ang hulog ng langit. Binigay niya na po sa akin ito. Weighing scale. Kasi yung anak niya po daw, yung kanyang panganay, early din siya nung katulad ni Nathaniel ba. Yun siya, 37 weeks. Tapos ito si Nathaniel, 36 weeks. Si Nathaniel, 2.4 kilos. Yung anak niya, 2.6 day, no? 2.6. So, bumili daw siya ng weighing scale para something niya daw yung anak niya. So, isomething ko din ito si Nathaniel. Para ma-monitor pala natin ang weight ni Nathaniel. No, thank you, Day. Maraming salamat sa iyo. Grabe, anuhin namin ito, Day, pag pag okay na si Nathaniel. Di ba? Pero okay yan. Pero maganda po ito para ma-monitor po natin kung gaano na siya kabigat, no? Ito man to si Mahal. Ala, grabe ang dami. Halak ang dami, Day. Mga damit. Mga pinadala niya po. Ito, mga gamit to ng anak niya, no? Hala! For winter! Thank you so much, Day! Ang mahal ba naman itong mga ganito naman, mga damit dito? Pwede may lang. Dali, weighing scale. You want to be there? To weigh yourself?
Yeah, I want to be on the weighing scale.
Look, sweater, my love. This one is from...
Oh, that's thicker.
Yeah, that's thick. It's nice. Yeah, and if you buy that here, that's super expensive. That's why, thank you, Day. Oh. Meron pang leggings. Maraming salamat. Hala, cute naman, Ani. Uy, stocking.
Stocking?
Looks like stocking, but it's nice. At ito malaki pa to. Anong size to? 74, that's still big. And this one also. Yes, Nathaniel. Oy, ko cute. Also a sweater. Get your son, my love. Get your son.
Come here, sit there, go there. Do this, do that.
At ito, sweater din po. Thank you, my love. Oy, ka-cute, Day! Thank you so much! Ang daming stocking. Pasuot ko sa kanya. Bukas or mamaya. Or labhan ko muna, no? Ito, malaki pa to. Kadami naman ito, Day. Yes, Nathaniel. May 3 bibi akong nakita. Mapayat, mataba, mga bibe. Oh, malalaki pa to, no? Pero itago ko to. Masuot to ni Nathaniel later. Ito. Alo, ka cute. Alo, kadami, Day. Ano ba ito? Para na tayo nag-ukay-ukay dito. Ito, malaki pa
Just pick him up and he stops crying.
Yeah. Uy, they said ba that don't his face. Tumatawa
Don't
siya.
his face, yeah.
Don't make him used to it that we always get him when he's crying. Because oh, I love this. He can already use this. I want that. I will watch that later. Ala! malaki pa din to. May pulo na si baby. Wala, kadami ko talaga ng pinadala niya. Ay, tapos na daw kasi siya eh. Because she don't want a baby anymore, mahal. That's why she's giving this.
So now if her husband says that he wants a baby, then she can say, we don't have any gold anymore, it's too expensive.
No! Look, my love!
Nice.
And this one is still big. And...
He's smiling.
Huh? He's smiling.
He is smiling.
You know what he's thinking? Ha ha ha. Papa took me. Papa... Ay, grabe ang English. Uy, wala na. Hala ka, cute! Ang cute naman ito, Day. Uy, salamat. Hala! Look! With the bow.
With the bow tie.
Hala, masuot niya na ito. Thank you, Day Karian. Maraming salamat sa iyo. At ito, ano ito? Hala! We have a new one. Like the teddy bear.
Remember, what is this, penguin?
And this one, pajama. Hala, kadami. Hala, this one, we can already use that. Yung mga masuot niya na, ibahin ko siya, no? Ito, malaki pa to. Grabe, kadami, Day. Ano ba yan? Ito, malaki pa yan. Mga pajama ba, no? Ito naman, ay, this is cute. Masuot niya din po ito. And this one, still big. And this, still big. Ito, masuot niya na to. Kadami naman ito. Hala, patay. Hala, look, mahal. Ka-cute naman ito, eh. Ayan po, para sa tiglamig, no? Day, maraming salamat sa iyo, Day. Love you, Day. You are the best. Thank you so much. Ito, malaki pa to. Ito. Hala, ka-cute. Nasuot niya na to. Ito. Masuot niya na din yan. Hala, super alat. Mahal. Look, mahal. Not normal. Yes, a lot of clothes na. Where will we put this? At maglaba pa pala ako ng mga damit niya. At mamaya, liguan natin siya. Who's that?
That's what he's doing.
You will take shower today, mahal. Later, tonight. Alam niyo po ba na dito sa Netherlands, most of the time, nililiguan po nila ang baby. Sa mga foreign country, no? Ganun sila. Foreign country, mahal ba that? You like the baby taking shower, pusang in the English, at night. But in the Philippines, we do that in the morning because there is super hot. They need to be fresh, no? But here, you do it in the evening. Grabe, Day. Salamat, Day. Day Karian.
Salamat, Day.
Karian.
Day Karian.
Karian.
Karian?
What can you say? Bisaya ay Tagalog.
Ay,
Something Tagalog.
Karian?
Karian. I don't know, Karian or Karian. Sige na, mahal. What can you say Tagalog?
Salamat, Day. Manok Karian.
Manok?
Manok Kari, right?
Chicken curry? Manok curry?
Sorry. Salamat.
Pagka-sweet ni Papa. O, yan na po ang aming dinner. Let's eat dinner!
Just water.
Just water, my love, please.
No wine.
No wine. Later wine.
Beer.
Baileys?
No Baileys.
No, later na. Later na, mahal. Ito po yung mga napili ko na labhan ko. Tapos ito, later niya pa yan masusuot. Nilagay ko na muna sa cellophane. Do you want massage tonight?
No, Maha, you can do the night shift.
Oh, you never ba? You never pa, Jude?
Because you say you cannot sleep when he is making sounds.
So you don't want a night shift?
If you are awake anyway, you can do it.
So you don't want massage?
I'll give you a massage.
Ay, uy. Somebody, uy. Let me rest food.
Okay, you can give me a massage.
Okay. You're night shift.
I will be night shift.
Okay. And this one?
That one needs a new clean diaper.
Yeah.
So you need to do that because I'm night shift.
Yeah, okay. O, tingnan nyo. Malinis na ang bahay namin. At dito na side, okay kayo. Itago lang natin ang mga... Oh. Are you ready for the visitor? It's their first time, no? To come here. 4 years of being here. Living here. Yeah.
No, we should have invited them sooner.
Yeah. Ready na daw yan siya sa kanyang bisita. Hmm? Alam mo, look at... Come here. Look at his face. Look at his face, man. What happened there? Hmm? He's getting chubby cheeks now.
Jump, cheeks.
Ready na po yan siya. Nakabihis na. So what's the song of the day? Dutch.
Met jou. Ja, ik wil zijn met jou. You wanted the Dutch?
No nursery rhymes, mahal.
No, nursery rhymes.
Da kwak na lang. Tong pakitong-kitong. Sige. Sige. Tong.
It's not nice to sing tong tong pangit dong do dong. How can you sing it to your song?
Pangit
to your
dodong?
son, not your song.
Sige na. What time are they coming here, mahal?
Probably around 8.
Around 8? Bukas ko na lang siguro yan siya liguin. Tomorrow na lang you will take a bath, my love. Maybe it's too late.
Yeah, I think so.
Bukas na lang. Binihisan ko naman din po siya, no? Bukas na lang umaga kay si Bianan. Pupunta pa naman yun dito bukas. Bukas, every Thursday po, si Bianan, pumupunta yan siya kay Oma. Pumupunta po yan siya kay Oma para tulungan si Oma magligo, magbihis. Every Thursday po talaga yan, no? So, alam na pupunta talaga yan siya dito bukas. Sabi ko nga sa kanya, kung napanood yung vlog ko kahapon, sabi ko sa kanya, I know that you will come to our house tomorrow. Mag-surprise visit na naman yun siya. Kahapon din, hindi ako nag-vlog. Sabi ko na, feel ko talaga ba? Sabi ko sa sarili ko na, feel ko talaga pupunta si Bianan ngayon dito ba? Kaya anong ginawa ko? Pinasuot ko kay Nathaniel yung kakabigay niya lang na damit kay Nathaniel. Tapos pumunta nga siya. Hindi ba yan siya ganun dati, guys? Ngayon lang talaga ba na nandyan na si Nathaniel? Magkatok lang dyan bigla sa makita mo lang dyan bigla ba na makatok sa aming bintana. Ganun o. Hello! Natusok ako sa aming cactus ba? Kakalinis ko. Maibig na talaga yan sa Big Brother ba? Meron atang pumasok. Pinakuha ko ng puller si Daniel. Kasakit ba, uy?
Have you removed the splinters before?
No, but you can see here. I can see it. Look. There, oh. That one.
Yeah.
Sige. Mahal, that's not good, mahal. When Nathaniel is...
You should not touch that.
But when he is already roaming around ba?
He needs to be really bad to be able to touch it. You want me to get it?
Wala pa rin ang kapitbahay namin ba? 7:30 na. Mahal. Maybe they forgot.
Mahal, it's only 7:30. Don't be so worry.
So what is the... When they said... What did they tell you that they're coming here in the evening?
Yeah.
So what is in the evening in...
Well, 8 is around coffee time.
Coffee time? Nakabihis na pa naman itong baby natin dito. Di ba no? Nathaniel no? Nakabihis na yan siya. Ang pagkapugi oh. Sinuklay ko po yan siya. Ang sleep lang ang baby ni mama. Hey! Ow. Kakaalis lang ng bisita namin. Kakaalis lang po nila. So how was it, mahal?
That was very nice.
Yeah. Too bad that we just invited them now that we're going away in this house. But usually man good in the Netherlands that your neighbors go to your house like that, right? Like
Yeah, not all the neighbors.
Not all.
No, not everyone. Depends on the neighbors.
But this neighbor, this one, before they went here for tea and coffee also.
Yeah, we went there.
Yeah, and we went to their place too, and this one na naman. And next time, my enemy. Next week, my enemy. Imbitahin ko nga yung enemy ko, be. Nagtilang kami. Sayang, get me the red wine, baby, because you did not drink that.
Mahal, it's my ship, Mahal. I need sleep. I need to go to bed now.
Oh, you want to go to bed now?
Yeah, I cannot have that wine. You need to go to bed now.
No, you can go to bed because it's your shift.
Oh, okay, that's fine. Then you can keep him here and then bring him after you change his diaper again. Huh?
Sige. Linisin ko na muna to. But really, Mahal, we're going to bed now?
No.
Ano po? Tingnan nyo. It's already 9 o'clock, 9:20. So, mga isang oras po silang nandito, no? Grabe ang pangyayari, guys. Naglalaba ako, diba? Tapos natapos na yung nilabahan ko. Ilagay ko na siya sa dryer. Alam niyo anong nakita ko? Ang diaper na laban. Ang tanong, baka may pupo ito kanina ba? Wala naman siguro. Bakit man mag-iyak ang baby ni Mama? Opo. Sige. Didi pa ikaw? Magdidi bang sige? Didi pa man pala ang baby ni Mama. Uy. Nagpupo ikaw? Nag-uo ka, no? Ay, oo, nag-uo siya. Ngayon lang. Sige. Mukha niya, oh. Wait lang, makita ninyo. Sige, oo. Oo pa. Go. Hala. Sige. Mukha niya. Ano man yan mukha mo? Oh. Hala, grabe naman yung pisngi. Buyag. Buyag, uy. Oo pa, ikaw, oo pa. Sige. Oo pa. Sorry, Nathaniel. Oo. Sige na, oo pa ikaw. May bagong bihis na baby. Hello po. May tatlong baby akong nakita. Para makita niyo ba, nagising talaga siya. Ang buyag-buyag. Hello guys. Oh, mag-sleep na naman yan siya. Mama, mag-sleep na ako, Mama. Good night na, Mama.